Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cash out on Binance to bank account. For that you need to launch your Binance app. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the deposit option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here in the top you are going to see the option of P2P trading. So you need to tap on P2P trading and then you will be landed on this P2P trading page. Now over here, as we want to cash out our money into our bank account, you will have to select the sell button. Then you are going to see a bunch of different merchants that you can select to sell your money, and in return they are going to give you the money in your bank account. So in order to select the merchant, you will have to press the sell button right next to their profile. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Then in the payment method section, you will have to tap on add payment method, and after that you need to add your bank account into it. For that you need to tap on the plus icon, and after that you just have to select the bank transfer option. Then you need to just provide your banking details and you simply need to add your bank account with it. Then in this section you will have to select your bank account, and after that you will have to press the sell button. Once done, on the next page you just have to conclude your payment, and after some time you will receive your money in your bank account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.